Alright, so it's Monday morning. We had a 2-hour delay because of fog. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to run one of the experimental groups just to see how things go, and then depending on how our data works, we'll finish this lab up on Tuesday. So what I did is I did the same procedure, put our 10 leaves into the syringe, got the oxygen out, hopefully, and now we're going to place it under, I decided to do red light. So here's my cup. I've got my discs floating in there. So I punched them out like we did before. And then we'll see how it goes from there. So let me get it all set up, and then I will start timing. So what I got here is our setup. I've got them under the red light, the 10 discs. I just placed them on. I'm going to start the timer, and we're going to see, again, if the red light has any effect as compared to the regular light. I'm going to start the timer, and I'll be checking on these every minute like before. So here we are at 1 minute. I'm going to swirl them, and we'll see if we've got any changes. A little out of focus. No floaters at 1 minute. Alright, 2 minutes. I'll check again. Again, no floaters. Here we are at time 3 minutes. And again, no floater. I gave a little swirl. I can see some oxygen bubbles, but again, nothing that's floating. 5 minutes. Nothing happening. Time 6. Again, seeing what looks like oxygen, but no floaters yet. At time 7, we almost have one floating. So at about 7 minutes, we got our first one. We have one floating. So I think this is about the same with the regular light, but we'll have to see. You can see at 9:23, we still only have one floating. So 10 minutes, still only one floating. 11.5, we still only have one floating. So at minute 12, you still only have one floating. You can see it there on the time edge. 13, still only one floating. It's kind of hard to see the 14, clock. Only one. Time 15, there's still one, but it looks like there's a couple on the bottom that are trying to float. We'll see what happens. 16 minutes, we have 2 floating. 2 down, 8 to go. 17 minutes, I got 3 of them floating, so it seems like the rate's increasing. 18 minutes, still at just 3. You can kind of see them in there. 1, 2, 3. 19 minutes, only 3. At time 20, we still only have 3 leaves floating. Time 21 minutes, we got 5 floating, so we're at our halfway mark. I'm going to let it run until 25. So we got 7 floating, so we're going to let it run till 25. 7 at 23 minutes. 4 minutes, we only have 7. We're going to let it run till 25, and then we'll take that data. We got 7. That data is better than no data, so we'll use that. You can see from our data, we got 7 to float, not quite the 10, but I think 25 minutes would have been a long enough period to run it. So either using the data collected here on the videos or your own data, we can definitely see there was a change in photosynthetic rate. So again, hopefully this video helped, and you'll be ready to run this lab on Tuesday morning and have some good results. So that's it.